we added the field industry to the account form, to the overall account entity, excuse me, and then we added it to the form for people to view. However, remember we talked about earlier that there are views within Dynamics. And I'm going to scroll down here, move this down. So in the background, we have the My Active Accounts view. And in the configuration area, which I showed you how to get to earlier, we have all of the various views that are available, and they're available via this drop down menu over here. So if I look at My Active Accounts, I'm going to double click on this. It's going to bring you to the View Configurator. And here we are. We've got account name, main phone, address, one city, primary contact, etc. They are all right here. But if I wish to add the column of industry to this view, and again, this view only, if you wanted to add industry to the other views, you would also have to do that individually. I simply just need to press on the Add Column button, find industry, or if I had multiple fields, and I actually have a couple of them here, this is an industry code, but this one that says new underscore industry, this is the field that I created. I'm going to click there, press OK, and it shows up at the end, but you know what? I don't really want it there, so I'm going to click on it and use the arrows to move it forward, and it's going to be right underneath account name. I'm going to press save and close. And now what I need to do is through this user interface, similar to the form we created, where we publish the form right from there, I need to publish all customizations. Now, once again, I would encourage you to make all of your changes to the various views, the various forms, any charts, whatever you're working on. And at the end, just save all your work. Each time you do it incrementally, is publish all the customizations, since it does take some time to do. So this is publishing here. Taking a bit. By the way, it's a really good thing not to be doing anything within the application in terms of the data and the forms and so forth while this is publishing, since it does tend to freeze up and you'll be frustrated. So I would just get patient on publishing all the customizations. If you have a number of customizations, it will obviously take longer. If you're using Chrome, we'll say, hey, this page seems to not be working. Do you want to kill it or wait? And always press wait. Okay, this is taking a bit. So you may want to fast forward through the video. My computer froze. So if my computer froze, simply publishing the customizations, and then what I was going to do is literally refresh. Oh, there it goes. It's done. So now that it's been published, I'm going to go back to the user interface, refresh my screen, and magically the new column of industry will appear under my active accounts. Again, I don't have any data here, but there you go. There is a configuration within the system where instead of clicking here and opening up the ADATM record, this will be what is called an editable grid. So I can literally make edits right here within the system. But that's another configuration that's generally not always used. So hopefully that helps to edit views.